Hello and welcome back to my channel, back with another makeup tutorial, so let's get into it. I'm trying to do a voiceover this time to see if this will keep my video shorter. I know a lot of people were saying that my last video was really long and I wholeheartedly agree, so don't pay attention to my mouth moving in the video. I was just on the phone. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I'd already made a detailed makeup video and showed how I did my brows. So I'm just going in, concealing my face, concentrating under my eyes, on my eyelids, and my forehead down to the tip of my nose. For my concealer, I'm using my LA Girls concealers in the colors Fawn and Dark Cocoa. Now, I did order some new brushes from Amazon from a company called Best Dope or Best Op Makeup Brush. It comes in different sets. I got the set of 16 for about $12. Right now, I am taking the tapered brush to blend out my concealer over my face. I am spraying my brush with rose water to dampen it and get a good blend. And honestly, this brush feels so soft and good, and it blends well in my opinion. So shout out to Best Op. So now I'm taking some of my Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha and just dabbing it on my face so everything matches. The concealer had me feeling a little ghostly, so I'm going to take that tapered brush again and blend things out. I just realized, like, I literally never do my makeup like this. I actually do my eyes before the rest of my face, which might be weird to some, but whatever, it works for me. Okay, so now I am taking my face flat brush and setting my makeup with the Kat Von D translucent powder. Clearly I'm a klutz, but we're just gonna keep it pushing. I'm not gonna be baking because this is a quick look and I still kind of want a dewy finish, so I'm just going ahead and blending it right on out. So now that I'm satisfied with how blended my face is, I'm going to be taking my white liquid liner and creating a simple wing. I'm going to make the wing a bit thick because I will be putting eyeshadow over it, so I want it to really show. Now, I know a lot of you out there are just like effortless when it comes to wing liners. You're like perfect in it. I struggle. Okay, so I'm gonna celebrate when I see a good liner on myself. Okay, all right. So now I am going to be taking my Juvia's Palace palette. Y'all know that's my favorite. And I'll be using the color Dahlia, which is that shimmery blue that I showed you at the top, and pack that over the white liner. And you can pack on as much or as little as you want. I wanted mine to really stand out and really like match what I had going on, which you'll see at the end. So yeah, I pretty much packed a bunch on there until I was completely satisfied. So now I'm just taking my white pencil liner and I'm lining my lower lash line. And then I will be taking the color Zola, which is that teal color next to the blue. It's also shimmery, and I'm going to be packing that over the pencil liner. So since I already had individual lashes on and just wanted to like darken up my lashes some to stand out over that blue, I went ahead and added a little bit of mascara. And off camera, I went ahead and did the other eye, reversing the colors so that the Zola was on top and the Dahlia was on the bottom. And then I just added a little black liner over the wing and added some highlight with a powder brush. Now, my favorite part for the finale, I lined my lips with black and brown liners and then I added some lip gloss and voila, a look was created. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye.